What's up guys, for today's video I found something really cool on eBay. This right here is the pilot survival kit. As you can see, there is airplane and stuff right here, and this is a waterproof Pelican case. So Pelican cases are pretty awesome. Let's open it up and see what this thing is all about. I have put to the test so many survival kits, and it's surprising that I still find very unique ones. So very cool mechanism right here. Opens up and it's a waterproof case. Ooh, look at that, whole bunch of stuff, bunch of information. Looks like it tells you what you got in there and stuff like that. But yeah, dry bag, a mini one, like a wallet and stuff for your cell phone. So you got here wire, cotton ball, perfect fire starter right there, a whistle, duct tape, fishing kit, and I like it that it's already set up, looks like, for the most part. Okay, a really big compass right here, very nice. Emergency blanket, a bunch of cheap stuff, aluminum foil, band-aids, Ziploc bags. This right here is a striker to start a fire. With the cotton ball I think you will have no problem. Little rope, and looks like this is a tiny blade and a couple of safety pins. Cool, bunch of tiny stuff at first. Okay, wow, look at that little pouch, like a plastic bag, drinking water bag. And I like it that you don't have to open it, you can just pop it in and out and it goes over your neck. Okay, what else we got here? Ooh, look at this knife, interesting. I thought it would pop out a lot easier. Nope, you have to use two hands or two motions to open it. But there you go, EMT. This is pretty cheap knife, looks like, but very useful obviously. And a window breaker, rope cutter, like it. Okay, single mirror, one of your credit card knives, not too sharp, and bottle opener and stuff like that. And you all seen those before. Very nice. Is it two of them? Nope, just a single one. Very high quality. I like it. Okay, what is this? Some new stuff. Okay, never mind. This is like a pen flashlight. As usual, why don't they include batteries? Looks like some kind of strap over here. Nice. That's a pretty cool strap. Probably perfect for watercraft. Connect bunch of stuff with it. And there's a one carabiner. I wish it would have been a two carabiner, but you know what, you can make a loop on one side and use a carabiner on the other side. Okay, and there's, oh nice, it did come with the batteries. I'm so happy, because you don't want to keep the batteries left inside of a flashlight, because if the batteries go bad it will ruin your technology. So it's best to keep them out. So I'm just gonna test it, see how well this flashlight works. Oh, look like it was bright. I don't know, something on with it to where it's not lighting up. Well, that's disappointing. So whenever you get those survival kits, who knows how old this survival kit, maybe this flashlight needs new batteries, because it's kinda flashes sometimes and shuts off, probably dead batteries. Anyways, next we got here first aid kit. Okay, the first aid kit is really nice. You got out here a bunch of ointments and stuff like that. You got a bunch of creams and tablets, gloves, and a bunch of band-aids and tapes and antiseptics. So very nice, and a bunch of swipes and stuff like that. Very cool. So again, very nice survival kit. I really love it for this tiny Pelican case. But at the end of the day, there's a whole bunch of little stuff, and a lot of this stuff is very cheap. Most of the survival kits, every time you buy it online, it will be a bunch of very cheap junk. But you know what, this one, it wasn't so bad. I like it a lot. As long as you don't overpay for this survival kit, it's pretty cool and unique. You know the best thing about this Pelican case, it was actually very easy to put everything back inside of it. I feel like the best part about this survival kit is this Pelican case. I can always build up my own survival kit as well inside of it. Very beautiful.